Are you using a Xiaomi Android device, like from Xiaomi Poco or Redmi, and your camera keeps stopping or crashing? So if you have this, keep stopping or not responding to pop-up issues. Follow this tutorial to learn 3 advanced ways to solve your problem in a snap. To solve these issues, open Setting, scroll down. Now you need to tap Additional Setting. Scroll down. Now tap the Developer option. If you have not enabled the Developer option, make sure to enable the Developer option. Now tap on there. Now you need to scroll down and find the setting called Always Show Crash dialog. Now go back, choose Apps, tap Manage Apps, tap 3 dot, choose Show All Apps. Now tap the camera, enable Auto Start. Now tap Remove Clear Data. Tap Precise All Data. Now restart your device and check your issues. After following all methods on your Xiaomi device, your problem will be solved and you will be able to use your camera. If you still have issues, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.